Sige, go.
Hi guys!
Hi, guys.
Magkanta daw, Mi. Para kay Chiksi.
Si Mel lang.
Oo. Dili, si Fred po magkanta.
Magkanta ko nga, pero sige. Go.
Pil ka ganta.
Videographer lang ka with heart.
Sige. Ay, dahil, unsa na? Ate ka lang to, ate ka lang to.
Ulit.
Nagutaan yun, hindi naman takabalo.
Pa-intro ka? I've been spending some time thinking about you and I don't know if I could really make it tonight. Lay awake in the daylight and come down this time. Thinking about you is almost breaking my heart.
Sige.
Kaya mo yan.
Kailangan laway. Magtulong sa aming laway. Tukan.
Sige, padayang.
Kanta ba? Sige na. Kailan mo join siya sa ako, ang tulunog laway.
Na-synchronize. Sige na. I don't know where I went wrong.
Ikat na lang na yan.
Dili
Oh,
na.
di na cut. Wala cut ni.
I don't know where I went wrong or what's going on, baby. I feel like a lover tonight. Should I stay? Should I go? I really don't know. Lately I've been missing you so, baby. Mali. D minor. Katong ana. Dili isa. Dili katong
Dila.
Practice lang eh, practice.
Bakit asa itong missing iso dala?
So,
Should I stay?
ang
Should
di-
I go? Dala.
I really don't know. Lately I've been missing you so. Ngayon lang. Tatlo.
Ay.
Meron pa isa. Ito ang isa. Ang isa dito. Wala.
Di?
Hindi, tingnan mo.
Wait lang yun guys ha. Marag nagar...
Di kalawang naman ko, guys. Kalawang na ang... Yan! Perfect.
Ay.
Go.
Ah.
Lately.
Asa? Should I stay?
Go. F. Should I stay, should I go? Well, I really don't know. Lately, I've been missing you so. Hindi, yung kanina.
Ay.
So, dito ang isa. So, yan. Tingnan mo, buti bi, oh. Tingnan mo ko doon. Sa baba yung isa, dalawa dito. Nakaroll ng camera.
Of course.
Cut!
Oo.
Hindi na.
Cut.
Okay lang yan. O sige, cut.
Should I stay?
Cut.